Back. Okay. We have a combat controller. I want to get a reference to that combat controller. Can't I just do this? Why am I fucking stupid? Sorry. Alright, I need it to be on the actual level. Okay. Can I reference now? What? What happened? Yes, the combat is going to be with a fixed camera. But before we go into the transition logic, I just want to finish the part where I tell the combat controller, which is now a pawn, that combat started. So I have the on begin overlap. I'm checking that the overlap is the enemy, and I want to do something. Do I? Wait, can I do it the other way around? In the combat controller, can't I get a reference to the player and then check to begin overlap? Why do I need to check my value? So what? It's what? A trigger volume? How do the volume knows? Ah. Oh, I get what you mean. I get what you mean. The actor will first overlap with the controller when it enters the level. Get you. Okay, I get you. When you understand, when you explain slowly, it's so I need a box collision, and I need it to be huge. Yeah. What's the size of this volume? It's like 17.7.5. So 17.7.5. What? Oh, it's locked. 17.7.5. Let's hide the... Oh, okay, I get you. So it's like we need it to be like the length of the corridor. We don't need to cover the entire level. We just need it to move when players start. No, but the enemies sometimes go past the door. I wanted to... Yeah, that's what I mean. That's what I'm saying. What's the size for this? How can I tell? One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So let's say 10. Okay. And I need it to be at the height of the player. Although, he can just... Let's do like 5. No, that's not the right thing. Okay. And then in the combat controller, I do on begin overlap and I take the actor that overlapped it and that's the player. And that's how I know I can... I would have gotten nowhere without you. Okay, in the player to do this? Oh, I get you. Walk me through this. Input, which is what? Actor? Or the actual, like... The actual combat controller class, okay. Yeah, yeah. Gotcha. Step-by-step instructions. You're great, man. So, other actor. Oh, new sub. Thank you for the sub. Ah, thank you for the gift, Asenka. And then as the player, we do assign and the command controller is self. Right? Did they do it right? No. Never mind. Save the cast to a variable? How do they do that? That I never heard. Oh, right. This is promote to a variable. I know some things. Transfer variable for what? Public, okay. Show 3D widget. What that do? That's the ball? Oh, right, okay. That's the ball. Gotcha. I'm learning so much today. Okay, and then when we start combat, I first align the camera location with the camera location of the player. I'm getting hungry. I think I will stop in 15 minutes. Yes, camera. The camera location that we made. Yes, okay, got it. But right, but will that be affected when we change the camera location during play? Doesn't the construction script like run once? Okay. Okay. So when combat starts, I need to update. Well, I will have to do like a sequencer or something. So it starts from the player's camera's position and then it moves into the position I want it to be. That's the idea here. Well, okay, let's do smoothly transition between camera by default. Amazing. So let's do this for the final bit here on this stream. When combat starts, when we overlap, I want to do this transition thing. Let's do that. Welcome to Chat Teaches Me how to do things in Unreal. Set this camera's default location. Which teachers? Yes. Default location. By the way, where is it facing? I need like an arrow. So I don't move the camera, I move the camera location. But no. Why can I do it? I'm supposed to move only the camera location, not the... Oh. Okay, now I got it. And the constructor move it along with me because that's what constructors do. Let's say that this is the default position. I will fiddle with it later. Yes, let's do this. Player blueprint. Yes. This does this. Reference to combat controller. Yes. Awesome. Well, this is going to be something else because right now it's supposed to be another AI thing, but let's, for the heck of it, we'll take I need on the next step is going to be on the roaming enemy. There is going to be some sort of data that tells the combat controller to have a combat enemy of a type. So what we did before, so like this, and now we do the same thing. We cast to, right? We cast to the command controller? Or we don't need to cast because we have a reference? Assign enemy. Right. And the enemy is this, the other actor. So let's... That's not the correct type. It needs to be just an actor. But I changed it. But I changed it. Save. Maybe I didn't compile. No, still. Oh, that's the... Yes, that wasn't the correct thing to do. I hope I didn't mess anything else up. Okay. Okay, so now the combat knows what the enemy is. Yes, transition. I also understand like casting and talking between blueprints, which is new. On the character. Another event. Yes, sir. Flare camera. We have it. Move component to. Plug the component. And then what? We get the other camera? And get the location of the other camera? We have a combat controller. Get component? Oops. Right. Right. We have that. We have that. And then I break the transform. And then I place the location and the rotation, whatever. What? No? Because we don't want to switch the camera to Wait, pause. When let me explain something. When combat starts, let's say we start combat. We start combat here, okay? I want the combat camera to go like here and place them in a combat screen. I don't want us to move to that default location. Okay? You get me? Let's do this. Okay, we have the camera. It's not supposed to be a random location. It's supposed to like move 90 degrees of the player and then like 45 degrees up or something. And I thought we are switching the viewport to the combat camera. When we get into the combat, yes, it is like a turn-based RPG. It's not going to be one enemy on the screen. It's going to be probably several enemies on the screen, but they are in a line. Let me show a reference. Steam World Quest. So something like this. Players, enemies, camera in front of them. Or this. No. I'm not doing it a different map. I'm doing it on this map. That's why that's why I want the camera to switch. What I was thinking. Okay, let's do your thing, and then I'll see if I like it. Cool. So we do get the camera from the combat controller. Get the camera. Okay, we have the camera, and then we get the transform from the camera. What? Oh, get camera. I didn't even know we can do that. Okay. Oh yeah, camera. Get transform Transform. Get world transform. And then break it. Location, rotation, right? And then we do ease in and ease out for it to be smooth. Yeah, thought so. Okay. So what, 2 seconds? Let's see if it works. It doesn't. That's because we didn't do anything with the camera transition. No, but we literally didn't do anything with the we don't call it anywhere. We don't call camera transition. It doesn't activate. We don't execute it. On the player or on the command controller? Okay, camera transition. Oh, interesting. Interesting. Okay, I get ya. Oh, okay, okay. It moves the location, doesn't move it in the world, just, okay, I get it. Nice. I just need to adjust the camera now. Interesting. Okay. We basically did it. Okay, amazing. Dude. Yeah. Yes, game done, right. Pixel Theory, thank you so much for the help. That was amazing. I don't know how you got to the stream, but thank you. And you're the second subscriber ever since Asanka gifted to you. And I'm the Unreal Engine tag, great. And I'm fairly hungry, so we're going to stop it right now. Yeah, I really love Unreal Engine. I worked both with Unity and with it, and Unity is like bashing my head on a wall. So yes, super. Change camera position and zoom on combat start. We technically done it. All the cards in my hand are done. Good job today. Okay. So thank you everyone for watching this educational stream. And make sure to follow me on Twitter because I will post updates and stuff. And yeah, see you next time. Bye bye. Oops.